just like that, back in the shop. Having some power issues with the shop. I don't know what's going on, but I have an electrician coming over. So we got no lights, no power, no nothing. So it makes it hard to do anything on the truck here. Like I said, I don't know what's going on with it, but hopefully it's not too expensive to fix, because I'm pretty sure my landlord ain't gonna pay for it. He's like 400 years old, really nice guy, but I'm not sure what his deal is. So once the power gets turned back on, I'm gonna mount the seat. I've actually had this for a super long time. I just never set it up. I got tubing bender. I got 1-inch dies. I got 1 3/4 dies, 1 5/8 dies. But I want to make our seat mounts out of just 1-inch mild steel. It'll be all right as soon as I get power. But in the meantime, we're gonna just do some random crap. I had to get a new generator. I had another one. I don't know what happened to it. I think some people used it, or maybe I messed it up or something. I can't remember. But I just couldn't get it to start. So luckily, Harbor Freight has great warranties. So I took it back there and I said, hey, can't get it to start, and I'm done fucking with it. I said, okay, we'll get you a new one. So I did that last night. Gonna get that set up with my home, away from home. And I'm gonna move the trailer around, do some stuff on it. I need to pressure wash it inside now. It's pretty bad. It's starting to get green on it. I haven't moved it in fucking 8 months. I might sell it, I don't know. Alrighty. It's been a hell of a couple of days. We got the shop power back on. That was a fucking experience and a half, and expensive for something that I don't even fucking own. But we got power. So it's little things in life like power. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna make seat mount. Other than trying to get my mind off what I lost my wallet, had my fucking ID in it, social security card, literally fucking everything. So that sucks. So and all of course the DMVs are closed because of stupid fucking Chinese virus. So we're gonna get our minds off that. Hopefully we find it. So we're gonna make a seat mount for this kirky. Gonna go from here, I'm just gonna go straight back, and I'm gonna use all the factory mounting holes there. I didn't mention in another video I was gonna cut the floor out. Fuck that. I made a post on Firepunk's Facebook, and Levon and all the Millers, even Fox was like, nah, it's not worth it. So maybe in another later date, but just to keep going, just to do something on the truck, because I'm pissed off at the world because of my stupid license and the DMV and this Chinese virus. So just like that, I got the seat mount done. Clean up the shop. I need to clean it again. It's been a fucking hell of a fucking week. Let me tell you what, boys and girls. Want to go edit the video, and I don't know what happened. I don't even know if it's working right now. I don't got a fucking $5,000 fucking laptop, because I don't ever get on a laptop anymore. And then something with the GoPro, one of the settings or something was set for like some fancy it's a fucking fancy computer. I don't know. I don't know nothing about goddamn computers or wiring. So everything I shot, done. Everything's in like slow motion. I'm not gonna go spend a whole bunch of fucking money on a laptop, because I do these videos like once a month, if that. But C-mount, still kind of tacky. Fucking everything in here, so literally this whole video is gonna be nothing but some fucking bullshit. But it is what it is. I'd rather do something than nothing, I guess. So until next time, see you later.